How's your weekend going? Mine is going fine. I went to a festival, which is really cool. And I know a lot of you guys are out enjoying your summer, but I'm in my room drawing because I love to draw. I like drawing animations and I like the anime type style, but really cutesy. So I thought it'd be fun to do a Fortnite video because I had no idea really what Fortnite is. So I looked up cute Fortnite characters and I saw the one with the pink hair and like a stick with the unicorn head on it. So that's the one I'm gonna draw today. I hope you enjoy.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
So that's it. If you want me to do more drawing videos, leave me a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you. Bye.